Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TradingView screener. This essential tool helps you discover potential trading opportunities across thousands of financial instruments. You can quickly filter through stocks, forks, and cryptocurrencies to find assets that match your unique trading strategy. It's designed to save you significant time and effort in your market analysis, providing a streamlined approach to identifying promising assets. To begin customizing your search, first select your preferred market, whether it's stocks, forks, or cryptocurrencies. Next, apply fundamental filters such as market capitalization, which can range from under $100 million to over $10 billion or average daily volume. You can also add technical filters like the 50-day moving average or the relative strength index, setting precise values for each. For more advanced screening, combine multiple technical indicators to create highly precise search conditions. You can set up to 50 different filters simultaneously, allowing for very specific criteria. Furthermore, utilize custom filters to define unique conditions tailored exactly to your trading strategy. Once you have a powerful set of filters, save them as a template for quick access and consistent application in future analyses. After running your screener, sort the results by various metrics, such as percentage change or volume, to prioritize your findings. You can quickly view charts for individual assets directly from the results table, allowing for immediate visual analysis. Integrate your screener findings with other powerful trading view analysis tools, like the charting platform, to conduct deeper research and make informed trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.